48 Augusta driveway is why Swan Lake Village was built. A house for downsizers who want one-level living but still want some extra private space for guests. This elegant home has been meticulously cared for. Complete turnkey living for a downsizer looking for everything on one floor, with bonus space in the fabulous finished basement. And in Swan Lake, you get the carefree condo lifestyle with the space of a house. Management takes care of the exterior while you just enjoy a vibrant village with friendly neighbors, 24-hour gatehouse security, and resort-inspired amenities. The 1,459 square foot Sandpiper model remains a perennial favorite. As you come up the front walk, there's a lovely east-facing patio, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee in the summer. You enter the house through the front door with decorative glass insert. Moving inside, you're greeted by a front foyer with pot lights, a skylight, a double front hall closet, and convenient access to the garage. This leads through to an open concept spacious living and dining area with vaulted ceilings and a cozy gas fireplace. This space is large enough to hold house-sized furniture. The attached sunroom has a skylight, wall-to-wall windows with lush green views, and a walkout to the private back deck. The spacious eat-in kitchen is a favorite with Swan Lake buyers because it has lots of counter space, ample cabinetry with task lighting, pot drawers, Lazy Susan, pantry cabinets, double sink with stylish modern high arc faucet with pull-out sprayer, and updated appliances. The cozy breakfast area has pot lights and a skylight directly overhead. The kitchen is also home to the main floor laundry. The primary bedroom is large enough to fit a king-size suite and has windows overlooking the green space at the back. It has his and hers double closets, both with organizers, and a large ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower stall, a deep soaker tub, and a large linen closet. The second bedroom is located at the front of the house for privacy and is currently used as a den. It has hardwood floors, crown moldings, and California shutters. This room is located close to a second full private bathroom. The lower level has been beautifully finished to include a fabulous area for family gatherings and guests. The third bedroom has a window and a walk-in closet with organizers and is located close to the third bathroom with a large soaker air jet tub. Enjoy movie nights all year long in the large rec room with cozy electric fireplace. There's a handy craft room, a storage room with built-in shelving, and a large workroom. The furnace, central air, and owned hot water heater were all updated in 2017. The west-facing back deck is your private oasis all summer long, complete with a barbecue hookup and motorized awning. Surrounded by majestic trees, it's a leafy green paradise, nothing but the sound of the birds or the wind in the leaves as you while away a sunny afternoon.
Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stovall Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407.
For more information about this very special home, call us at 905 477-0011, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at walkerparker.ca.